Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting credentials. The account SID and auth token, store them as environment variables to avoid leaking secrets. Once done, purchase or verify a Twilio phone number in E164 format because Twilio requires normalized numbers. Next, install the Twilio SDK for your language. For Python, use pip install Twilio. For Node, use npm install Twilio. Make sure you also have the destination number verified if using a trial account, and then move on to writing the send. You now write the sending routine. Initialize the Twilio client using the account SID and auth token you exported earlier. This keeps secrets out of source. Then call client. Messages. Create with body set to your text, from set to your Twilio number, and to set to the recipient in E164 format. Once you send, log the returned message SID and poll or check status for queued, sent, or delivered states. If using async frameworks, await the send call and handle exceptions explicitly. To finish, run an end-to-end test from your environment. Make sure the recipient is allowed if on a trial account. Once sent, inspect the Twilio console or fetch the message by SID to see status and any error code. This tells you why a send failed. If you rely on webhooks for delivery receipts, validate requests using Twilio signatures. If messages fail, common fixes are correcting E164 formatting, ensuring sufficient account balance, and rotating expired auth tokens. Try one fix at a time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.